How's it going, guys? Andre back here from Cyberpark Tech, bringing you guys yet another review. Now, today we're going to be talking about the Logitech MX Sound 2.0 Bluetooth desktop speakers. Now, before we dive right into it, I just want to kind of mention that the Logitech MX lineup is very premium. They're not necessarily made for gamers. They're not just computer speakers for you to just have on your desk. They are much more than that. They do provide very good quality all around in terms of sound and design and build quality, and that's just what Logitech tries to maintain with their MX lineup, like we see in the MX Master and the MX Master 2, and so on and so forth. Now, these speakers retail for about $100, which is quite an awesome price from Logitech. Looking inside, you do get your 2.0 Bluetooth speakers. They do come with a cable so you can connect the two speakers to each other, and as well you get your power cable and a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can connect via a wired connection. Now, these are a very versatile setup for your computer, for your desk, because they do have a Bluetooth 4.1 system, which actually allows you really seamlessly to switch between up to two devices. So if I have my phone and then I have another tablet, and if I connect both of them at once, it's as simple as I can like pause my phone and then start playing on my tablet, and it's seamless. Literally within half a second, the transmission switches in between devices and they will begin playing on your speakers. Now, something that completely blew me out of the waters with these speakers is seriously their design. It looks very premium. You've got that nice mesh fabric in the front, so it actually does a little bit of sound dampening, so you don't get any of that weird vibration. You do have the you have the circular design, and then as well, they couldn't make it a 2.1, so they actually used some of this design space to create a very small, like half-inch subwoofers for each individual speaker, for it to provide that extra little bit of bass, that extra little bit of kick that many people desire in their audio quality. Talking about some of the features, they do have LEDs over on the right speaker. On the right speaker, whenever, here, let's see if we can see. If I move over, you can see, like, with my gesture, my hand nearby, it will actually light up over there. You got your audio, your volume up, volume down, and your Bluetooth audio connection signals over there. What unfortunately sucks about it is, since they made it intuitive enough that you can actually put your hand in front and it can detect the signal, it would be nice if you could like control the songs with like a swipe of the hand nearby the speaker for song, next song, previous song. Maybe if you can like touch it, kind of like my Google Home, if you touch it, you would pause. And also maybe like when you're turning the volume up and down, if Logitech would have shown you what the volume is at, it just keeps telling you that the volume's up. You have to keep going until it's max, and you don't actually know if it's at 50%, 75%, 80%, and so on. But those are just very little nitpicky things. It's something that I can definitely get by. It doesn't specifically bother me. But without further ado, I want to do a sound test for you guys, and I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below or over on my Instagram at Cyberpark Tech what you guys think of these speakers, and if you guys actually want to pick these up for yourselves. And yeah, I'll give you guys my final thoughts after the audio test.
I'm so glad you came. Don't need to know your name. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. I'm feeling all alone. I don't care where we go. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Look at you. You only come around when the bottle's out. You only come around when the model's out. Where your eyes be at when we be at?
I just want to see, I just want to see the light. I just want to see, I just want to see the light. I just want to see, I just want to see the light. I just want to see the light. Even if it makes
When I go in the arena, make the ground shake, make the ground scream. Me feeling no enemy, bring the fire.
Alright guys, so that was the audio test. I'm impressed with these speakers. For $100, they sound pretty damn good. For $100, they're probably the best desktop speakers I've reviewed. I've taken a look at some other ones, but Logitech, you've done well with this one. Okay, so in terms of audio quality, the bass is pretty good considering it's a 2.0 channel speaker. The mids and the highs are very crisp. The audio is rich, which I'm super impressed. And I think for that, I will give them an overall of 4.5 stars for audio quality. Now, moving on to features and functionality, this is where they're kind of lacking. I am only going to give them 2 stars. This is just because, again, I've talked about, like, they could have implemented some more features, like, again, the motion sensor maybe on both speakers instead of just one. So I could maybe, like, change songs, skip songs, just with, like, hand motion nearby the speaker. Other than that, they don't have a whole lot going for them. It's a very basic setup, but they get the job done. So that's where, unfortunately, the 2 stars come in for me. In terms of design, they look super cool. I'm a sucker for a good design. I'm gonna give them a 4. Super neat way of actually introducing a little bit more bass into their sound, into their setup. So yes, super happy with that. And lastly, for price, I'm gonna give them a 4 because $100 at both US and Canada. You can get some much worse speakers for $100, so that's kind of my gist of it. That's how I'm justifying the 4-star rating. I hope you guys can see it too. If you guys know any speakers that sound so much better than this for around $100, definitely let me know in the comments below so I can maybe check them out. And yeah, this was my review of the Logi MX Sound 2.0 Bluetooth desktop speakers. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.